So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to follow object in CapCut or how to motion track. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go to CapCut.com, log into your account. The next step will be to go to create new and open up one of the videos offered here in the aspect ratio you're most accustomed to. After that, you're going to need to add a video, and I'm going to show you motion tracking through text. So let's say I want to use some object and I want the text to follow that object or to motion track. Go to the text part on the left side here and click on add body text. So on here, I'm just going to type in track. After that, you can see I've added text here, so you can select that. If it's deselected, you can select it by clicking here or here. So click on there. You can see presets, basic, text-to-speech, AI avatars, animation, and motion tracking. So click on motion tracking, and you can see select an object on the screen and select start to track it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and again click on that. And I'm gonna use, as you can see, I've just now expanded this. I can use it to move it about and then start. If it locates an object, so you need to make it maybe easier to locate it. If it finds an object, then just click on start and it's gonna start tracking it. So that's about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.